Who doesn't love a good barbecue sauce? Once you see how easy it is to make it, you are never gonna buy store-bought again. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
What are we making today?
Today we're making barbecue sauce.
Nice.
Yes. So, super simple recipe, a little sweet, a little spicy.
A little smoky.
Smoky, thank you, that's the word I was missing.
Yep.
And comes together super quickly. We're just gonna blend our seasonings and our brown sugar and our tomato paste and all our lovely sauces, including our plant-based Worcestershire, gluten-free too. And cook it just a little bit on the stove, and then we're gonna use it in a pizza.
Super excited. 8 to 10 minutes. So, I mean, it really comes together fast. Admittedly, there's a lot of spices that we've got for the recipe, but they're easy to find. And as I said, this comes together super fast, and you are gonna love the way it tastes. So,
let's make some sauce.
let's cook. Saucy.
Yeah, let's get saucy.
I like that.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
You're saucy. Nice. First, get your pan heated up over a medium heat. And once it's to temp, you're going to add in your ketchup, then your apple cider and balsamic vinegar, then your molasses, Worcestershire, and liquid smoke, and get that all stirred up to combine.
Next, we're going to add our tomato paste, brown sugar, and all those yummy spices. Then we'll let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes on a low temperature.
It's been about 10 minutes and our sauce is reduced nicely and is ready to go. Take it off the heat, let it cool, and get it into a container, and then put it on absolutely everything. This looks really good. You ready?
I'm ready.
Katie broke out our fancy spoons, so you know it's going to be good.
So you can see how thick it is.
It really thickened up and reduced. The other thing that we forgot to mention earlier is the ketchup. The ketchup that we used, we found one that didn't have any added sugars in it because because we were going to put the brown sugar in it, I didn't want this to be a sugar bomb.
Overly sweet. And no salt.
Yeah, we didn't add any salt. Now, we did add some MSG to it, just a 1/4 teaspoon. I know that when we were growing up, MSG was like the dietary boogeyman.
Yeah.
But we've read a decent amount of research that it's not actually as bad as what everybody claimed it was back then. So it's totally optional. We added a 1/4 teaspoon, but I'm ready to stop talking and put a spoon in my mouth.
Okay.
All right, ladies first. I'm going for more. Woo. That is like,
it's good. That's like the best barbecue sauce. I mean, I'm not a huge barbecue sauce fan, but this is going to be so good on our pizza.
Yes, we're going to make
This is really good.
We're making a barbecue soy curl pizza, and this is going to be bonkers good on that.
Yep.
Super spicy, not overly spicy, but just really flavorful. And the tang, like I'm still salivating.
Don't bleak on me.
I'm not going to gleek on you. That would be really funny though. Yeah, just still salivating in the back of the mouth. So really hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this. Look for the video that we'll share down below when the pizza is done. And
be kind.
Eat pizza
with plants.
See ya.